Hey, it's your friend Mel, and I want to remind you, doing something little by little is so much better than doing nothing at all. There have been so many times in my life where I didn't get started or I talked myself out of doing something because I didn't think it was big enough, or I didn't think that I was ready, or I didn't think that I had enough time. And the truth is, little by little is better than nothing at all. So little by little, every single day, if you just chip away at it, little by little, something interesting happens. You find the way.